Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by turning on Bluetooth and putting your speaker into pairing mode so the laptop can detect it. Once done, open the Zoom app and sign in. Make sure no other apps are hogging audio. Next, go to your laptop's Bluetooth settings and look for the speaker name. Pair it now. I say pair first because Zoom needs the OS audio device available. Pairing at this stage avoids switching conflicts later and ensures Zoom can select the speaker when you choose audio. Now make the speaker the system output so applications, including Zoom, route sound to it. Open sound settings and choose the paired speaker as the default output device. On some systems, you may need control panel sound. If Zoom was open while you paired, quit and restart it so Zoom refreshes the device list. Also check volume levels on both speaker and laptop. Low system volume is a common reason you think audio failed. Once set, Zoom should see the speaker automatically. Finally, inside Zoom go to Settings Audio and explicitly select your Bluetooth speaker as the speaker device so Zoom routes meeting sound there. Click Test Speaker to confirm you hear the tone. If it's faint, raise either speaker or system volume. When you join meetings, choose Join with Computer Audio to use that device. If audio drops or Zoom won't list the speaker, toggle Joining Audio, disconnect and reconnect the speaker. Then reselect it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.